Good morning, children. Did you complete yesterday's work? Okay. Today let us continue with exercise 1 and problem 4. Let's read the question. Construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 6 centimeters, YZ is equal to 8 centimeters and ZX is equal to 10 centimeters. Using protractor, find the angle at Y. What type of triangle is this? This is the question given. In your textbook, the question is given as find the angle at X. Angle X they have given, it is a print mistake. Change it as angle Y. Okay? Find the angle at Y. This is the question. So now, what is the first step that we need to do? Very good. The first thing is we have to draw a rough sketch of the triangle XYZ and label it with the given measurements. So let's do the first step. So first thing is draw the base. The base if I take as XY, base is XY and the length is 6 centimeters. Now you know that XZ is 10 centimeters. So this is going to be long, and then you know that YZ is equal to 8 centimeters. YZ is equal to 8 centimeters. So here this is Z. So this is 10 centimeters and this side you got 8 centimeters. Okay. So this is the rough figure that we have drawn. So let's try the first step. Step 1. Construction steps we are writing. Step 1 is draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle XYZ and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. This is what we have done in the first step. That is what we have written now. Understood this? Okay. Let's do the second step. What is the second step? What is the second step that we need to do? Yes, we have to draw a line segment XY of length 6 centimeters. Now you are supposed to use your scale and then measure 6 centimeters. So look at your scale. I am going to show your scale. So this is your scale. Here you can see that it is 0 centimeters from here till 6. First thing is you have to mark a point here. At 0 mark a point and then at 6 you mark a point and then draw the line joining 0 to 6 and label it as is equal to 6 centimeters. Understood this? Draw the line segment, children. So on the board I have drawn XY which is of length 6 centimeters. Now you know that XZ is 10 centimeters. So with X as the center, you have to take 10 centimeters. Use your scale, children. Scale. Now use your compass. 0. And from here you need to take 10 centimeters. Okay, 10. So from the beginning I am going to show. So here from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10 you have taken the measurement. Now X as the center you are going to draw an arc of 10 centimeters. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now X as center, I am going to use my compass this side. Don't hold the pencil and draw. If you hold the pencil, what happens is, it's going to change, its radius will be changed. And when radius is changed, you will not get the proper figure. Okay? So always hold the top of the compass to draw the arc. Now the next part is, in the rough figure, we can see that from Y to Z, since the length of Z from Y is 8 centimeters, now we have to take 8 centimeters as the radius and draw an arc such that it is going to intersect the first arc. So now let's take the scale. Take out your scales, children. So now take the scale. So here it is 0 centimeters. From 0 to 8 centimeters, drag your compass such that your pencil so 8 centimeters. Okay, 8. Look here, 0. 0 is here. And it is 8 centimeters here. Okay, take it properly, use sharp pencils to do this. 8 centimeters. Now we are going to draw another arc such that it is meeting the first arc. Okay, so now let's draw the second arc. So Y as the center, draw an arc such that it meets the other arc. Okay, now use your pencil and mark the point where both the arcs are meeting. This is the point and this is Z. Okay, now the last step is we have to join X, Z and Z, Y. Then we are going to get the required triangle. So we have marked the point Z and then we have joined X, Z and Z, Y. Okay, so we got the required triangle X, Y, Z. Now in the question they asked you to find the angle at Y. Okay, use your protractor and then you need to keep the protractor, you remember that 0 is here, so keep that the 0 line is matching with the baseline and then this is 90 degrees. You can see that angle Y is 90 degrees. For a triangle, in a triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, you know that it is a right angled triangle. So now the triangle that we have obtained is a right angled triangle. So now let's complete the steps for construction. Okay, step 1 we have already written. Now let's write step 2. Step 2 is draw a line segment. Draw a line segment XY of length 6 centimeters. Okay, let's write step 3. With X as center, draw an arc of radius 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now let's write step 4. Since Z is at a distance of 8 centimeters from Y, draw another arc from Y. Draw another arc from Y with a radius of 8 centimeters, such that it meets the first arc at Z. Okay. Now let's write step 5. Step 5 is join XZ and ZY to get the required triangle XYZ. Understood this? Now let us write which type of triangle is this? Triangle XYZ is a right-angled triangle. Right-angled triangle. Understood this? All of you? Okay. Copy this in your class workbooks, children. So now let's do the next problem, which is exercise 1, fifth problem. Let's read the question. Construct triangle ABC in which AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 7 centimeters and CA is equal to 3 centimeters. Which type of triangle is this? This is a question given. Now let's begin the construction. What is the first step that we need to do? Excellent. Perfect. So first thing is draw a rough figure. So I am taking AB as the base 4 centimeters and you know that CA, BC is 7 centimeters. BC is 7 centimeters. So this is going to be the long. CA is 3 centimeters. So this is 3 centimeters. So this is the approximate shape that we are going to get. So let's write step 1. Step 1 is draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC and label it with the given measurements. Now what is the second step that we need to do? Very good. Step 2 is draw a line segment. AB of length 4 centimeters. This is the second step that we need to do. Now take your scales, children. Okay, so the length of AB is 4 centimeters. So mark a point at 0 here and then mark a point at 4. After marking the points, join the line. Don't shake the scale. Join the line and write AB and it is of length 4 centimeters. Now the next thing what we have to do is we have to take A as the center and draw an arc of 3 centimeters. So use your scale and your compass and measure 3 centimeters. So 3 centimeters. Now taking A as the center, draw an arc. Okay. Then the next length is BC is equal to 7 centimeters. So after drawing the arc from 0 to 7. Okay. How to measure I am showing you carefully. You see and draw another arc to meet the previous one. Okay. So this is 7 centimeters, 0 to 7, and you need to draw the arc. Okay children, do. So here I have drawn the figure, but the arcs are meeting at a point. This on the board when I have drawn it has come as a very small figure. In your notes if you draw also, it's going to come some figure which is thinner. Okay. So this is the angle formed. So which type of triangle is this? That is the question that is given to you. You know that if an angle is less than 90, it is acute angled triangle. If an angle is equal to 90 degrees, it is a right angled triangle. If the angle is more than 90 degrees, here you can see this is 90 and this angle is more than 90. So what do you call it? It is an obtuse angled triangle. Understood? So now let's write the steps. Step 2 we have already written. Now let's write step 3. What is step 3? Step 3 is with A as radius, with A as center, A as center, draw an arc of length, draw an arc of length 3 centimeters. Okay. Now step 4. Step 4 is C is at a distance of 7 centimeters from B. Okay. Draw another arc of radius 7 centimeters from B such that it meets the first arc. It meets the first arc at C. First arc at C. This is what we did in the 4th step. Now step 5 is join AC and CB to get the required triangle ABC. And here we have seen that the required triangle ABC is more than 90. The angle formed at angle A is more than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse angle triangle. So now let's write the last step, which is triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Understood this, children? Copy in your class books, all of you, neatly draw all the arcs with your sharp pencils. Okay, complete the work. Completed. Today I am giving you a homework. Construct triangle PET. PE is equal to 4.5 centimeters. ET is equal to 5.4 centimeters. centimeters and TP is equal to 6.5 centimeters in your notebook. So all the 5 steps you need to write and then make the construction of the triangle PET. The next part is now construct triangle ABC. AB is equal to 5.4 centimeters, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeters and CA is equal to 6.5 centimeters. This you have to do it on a piece of paper, draw it, no need of writing the construction steps. After you draw this one, you have to place this triangle over the triangle of triangle PET. Then you see what is the relationship or what can you observe. Okay, so I will complete this question. I will write what you have to do as well. Okay, cut it out and place it on the figure. Place it on the figure. You have constructed in your notebook. Okay. Are the triangles congruent? Are the triangles congruent? Write your answer using the mathematical notation. Write your answer using mathematical notation. Okay, this is the question given. So initially you have to draw the rough figure. PE is 4.5 centimeters. ET, so this is PE and ET is 4.5. 4.5 and the other one is 6.5. So this will be longer and this will be shorter. This is 6.5 centimeters. This is T and this is 5.4 centimeters. This is the approximate shape of the triangle that you are going to get. Okay. Now write all the 5 steps of construction and then draw the other triangle on a piece of paper. Cut that ABC, triangle ABC you need to cut and place it on triangle PET. After construction, whatever shape you are getting, over that you place and see if they are congruent or not. What is the meaning of congruent? Yes, when all the angles and when all the sides are equal, they are congruent triangles. So check whether you have got the congruent triangles. And if you have got the congruent triangles, then use the symbol of congruency between triangle PET and triangle ABC. Understood how to do? Complete your homework, children. See you in the next class. Have a great day.